Namaskar and good afternoon to all of you. Today we had felicitation of our passed out students. Total 104 students had appeared HSLC examination in this year 2026. This is our 11th batch and we are very happy to announce that all the students came out successfully. They performed well after hard work of the students, parents and teachers. We got the good result and today we felicitated them, we appreciated them, we honored them for their hard work and good result. Total 104 had appeared and we had around 14 distinctions and 25 star marks and also 52 first division and few of them also got the second division. We are happy with the performance. Today we had agenda lighting the lamp. We had a welcome speech from the class 10 student and this complete program was organized by the students of class 10 and also the teachers who guided them. So we are very happy that it was concluded very well. We offered them with a full and gamosa and also we had a refreshment, snacks and so on. So all together we are very happy. Students were very delighted. They really enjoyed and really they encouraged the juniors so that in future they will do well.
Okay, very good. Congratulations. But without the group photo, the program goes incomplete. So I want to pass down the students with a cheerful face, each for the photo shoot out. One goes and boys, please come. Okay, quick.